Hi guys, welcome to the How to PC channel. In this video we will talk about how to create Slickdeals account. So first of all you need to open up this website. At the very top you can find their URL. So after that just click on the sign up button at the top right, okay, and answer on this question. Finally we can start creating our account. First of all, type your email address right here, check this checkbox, and click on continue with email. Now you need to verify your account, so just go to your email address, and you'll find a message from Slickdeals. Here it is. I can click on the verify email address button. Let's do it. And welcome to Slickdeals. So this is my username. I can easily change it. Just click on edit and create your username. For example, how to PC 29 and click on continue. Okay, and that's all. Now I can easily start using this platform. At the top right you can see my profile. I can go to it just by clicking on my profile, and here it is. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and of course leave your questions in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.